Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been really inspired lately by all the Area 51 makeup looks, and I decided to create my own extraterrestrial look today. And I also was inspired to use more of that neon green pigment that I used in my last look because it was just so bright and beautiful and it looked really nice with the purple. So without further ado, if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. As you can see, I did my eyebrows differently today because I want my look to be very big and dramatic and blown out, so I wanted to give myself as much room as possible. Now first I'm going to prime using my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot on an M421 brush. Now I'm going to buff it out using my M173 brush. Now using the shade Soaked from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Jawbreaker palette on an M124 brush, I'm going to start by making the shape of my crease. Now I'm going to take Soaked on an M506 brush to blend out the edges. Now on that same brush, I'm going to take Great Minds from the Morphe 39S palette. Now I'm going to go back in with Soaked. Now lastly, on an M433 brush, I'm going to take Cherry Wet. Now I'm going to go back in with all of those colors to help intensify them. Now I'm going to take an M124 brush and pack Delicious right under these colors to help give it some more depth. I'm actually going to switch to an M431 brush to do this. Now I'm going to switch back to that flat brush just so I can do this tail. Lastly, on that same brush, I'm going to take a black shade. For that, I'm going to use Blackout from Urban Decay. Now I'm going to cut this inner space with some micellar water on a Q-tip. And I just want the black just like barely showing. So I'm going to be cutting most of that off with this. Now I'm going to fill this in with a light layer of my ColourPop concealer. Now I'm going to pack the neon green pigment from Makeup of Murder right on my lid. Now I'm going to clean up the edges with black one more time on that M124 brush. Now on an M506 brush, I'm going to pick up Soaked and blend that in with the black. Alright, the eyes are all done. Now I'm going to move on to the face. First I'm going to prime using my Benefit Professional Primer. Now for foundation, like usual, going in with my ColourPop No Filter Foundation Stick in the shade 07 Neutral. Now I'm just going to blend that out using my Morphe sponge. Now I'm going to conceal the highest points of my face using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I'm actually going to do a liner concealer under my cheekbones as well. Now I'm going to set everywhere that we just concealed using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 05. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face using a Morphe M527 brush and the Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Pressed Powder. Now I'm going to zoom you in so we can finish off the lower lash line. Alright, so some of our colors kind of got lost when blending out the foundation, so I'm going to just do the lower lash line like I did in my crease. Alright, now I'm going to add that neon green pigment in my waterline. Now I'm going to contour using a Morphe E4 brush and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit. Now for blush, I'm going to use a Morphe M405 brush and my usual Allure Cosmetics eyeshadow. I'm going to be mixing a tiniest bit of purple in this as well, so I'm just going to take the purple that's directly next to the color that I usually use. Now for highlight, I'm going to use an M501 brush and Gumdrop from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit. And I'm going to put this in the inner corner as well. Now for lips, I'm going to use Jeffree Star's I'm Royalty. So here's the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!